Hello everyone. So today I wanted to do a makeup tutorial and a hair tutorial for you all in one. So I guess I'm doing a 2-in-1 for you all. So I just started off by prepping my brows. I never really show y'all how I do my brows, and I said I'm going to do it in this video because I'm not doing any eyeshadow today. So, well, I'm doing a little bit, but it's not no real eyeshadow for real. But I started off by prepping my brows, putting some powder on my brows. And then I went in and took my ColourPop brow pencil, and I'm filling in my brows with my ColourPop brow pencil. So once I'm done filling in my brows, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal. One is in the shade Fawn and the other in the shade Espresso. That's the darker one that I'm going to use. It's closer to my skin tone. I usually mix the Fawn and the Espresso, a little bit of the Fawn with the Espresso once I place it on top of my brows, but I just use the Fawn alone by itself underneath my brows, and I'm just sculpting out my brows and creating that perfect shape that I love and that I like. So in order to get that gradient brow effect, what I like to do is take whatever's left over on the brush after I concealed my brows. What I like to do is take some of that leftover concealer on the brush and put it in the front of my brows, and then I just brush it in with the spoolie on the end of my ColourPop pencil, and that just helps give my brows a gradient effect so it won't look so harsh. And then I just blend it out and it looks really good after that, girl. Once I'm done sculpting out those brows, honey, it is time to blend. So I'm just going to take me a fluffy brush. I'm going to blend out my concealer, and then I'm going to take other brush. I'm going to blend out the top of my brows. If you would like a more detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, I do have a tutorial already on my channel specifically for how I do my brows. So if this wasn't as detailed, then you can go and see that video. And I also have a tutorial that's more detailed on how I straighten my hair, but I'm just going to give you all a few little tips in this video. I'm not going to do too much because I have like a million videos already on how I straighten my hair, but I'm just going to give y'all a little bit of tips. But for right now, we're just going to focus on the makeup because we're still doing the makeup right now. As you all know, I love my NYC liquid liner. I'm going to use that for my eyeliner today. I should have put on my eyeshadow first. I don't know why I didn't put on my eyeshadow first. It's not really eyeshadow. I guess that's why I did it like that. I'm just taking any kind of brown eyeshadow you all have, or any eyeshadow that's kind of I would say slightly darker than your skin tone, you can take that and just use that on your for your eyeshadow today. And that's all I used, y'all. That was pretty much it, honey. And I was looking real fleeky after that. So today for my foundation, I'm using NARS foundation. I like this foundation, y'all. I spent, like I told y'all, in my last makeup tutorial, I went to Ulta and I bought some expensive foundations, honey, because I said, okay, let me see all of these here on. This foundation, I got a little oily. Now, I don't know if I think I usually get oily when I put shea butter on my face before I prime my face. And I think that could also contribute to me getting oily. I don't know if it was from the foundation or what, but I started getting oily and I found myself having to keep patting myself with one of my cotton rounds. I don't know if it was the foundation or what, but I'm going to try using it again. I'm definitely going to keep using it till it's all gone. I don't care how old I get because it was $50. Okay, so definitely going to keep using it, but next time I'm going to try not to use my shea butter as a moisturizer. I want to try to use a different moisturizer because I felt like that probably contributed to some of my oiliness. But I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using Tarte concealer. It's in the shade Deep Dark. I'm going to highlight down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and underneath my eyes. So while I let that set a little bit, I'm going to go in with some Ardell lashes. These lashes are really small. I was going somewhere today and I didn't want my lashes to be doing too much. I didn't want to have no wings on my lashes today. So I just said, let me try some baby wings. So I just wanted to go for something a little bit more softer today. That's why I didn't want to do no real eyeshadow. And then I'm going to blend my concealer once I'm done putting on my lashes. Once I am done blending out my concealer, I'm going to set it with my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm just going to place that everywhere that I place the concealer. For my lippy today, I used a brown matte lipstick, but I ended up not really liking it because it made my lips look kind of dry. I liked it before, but I wasn't feeling it today. So I just said, okay, I'm going to put a little gloss over it, and I end up still not liking it. So I just said I'm not finna change it because I got to get ready to go. So it's just going to look like this. After I put on my lippy, I blended out my Sacha Buttercup powder on my face. Then I went in to set my face with MAC's Deep Dark powder. After I set my face, I think I'm moving too fast. Okay, so after I set my face, I went in with Morphe setting spray. I really love this setting spray. It's not heavy at all. I think I mentioned that in one of my videos as well, that it's not heavy. I really love it. Then I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics highlighter. And I'm just going to highlight my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit on my nose. Now it is time to do this hair, hunty. I had just freshly washed this sew-in, y'all. It looks so bad. Got dang tracks coming up. My hair just a mess, y'all. And I promise y'all, I don't know what's going on with my edges. My edges are not like bad or thin or going away or anything. It's just like, I don't know, when I wash my hair and my hair starts to kind of roll up and curl up and do some things, it started to make me look like my edges are doing some weird stuff. But I promise y'all, I got full edges. anyways, I'm just going to brush my hair out so that I can blow dry it. Once again, everybody always asks me in my other video, and I think I mentioned the name of this blow dryer, but everybody still keep asking me. It's called the Silverbird Turbo Dryer. Silverbird Turbo Dryer. I got it from Sally's. I think it was about $38. I'm going to take my Tresemme heat protectant. I'm going to spray it all over my leave out. I use that heat protectant before I blow dry my hair and before I use these small babyless flat irons to get my edges together. Next, I'm going to take my love, my heart, my soul, my favorite serum, my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. I'm going to take that and I'm going to just put a small amount on each piece that I flat iron. It's important that you use a very small amount because the more you use, the more heavier your hair will be, and your hair will be very weighed down. A lot of people do not like to use serums, but I personally love to use serums because it keeps away flyaways, and my hair just be fleeky and soft and flowy. And like I said, it's important to use only a small amount so you can get the results. So you don't want to use a lot of this. You don't got to use a lot of this. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm just taking that, I'm putting a little bit on my hair, I'm rubbing it all the way down the shaft of my hair. I'm making sure that I focus it on the ends because I hate when people have straggling ends and they're using a flat iron to make their hair be so-called a silk press, and they don't even really be a silk press. I don't know what it be. It don't be right though, okay? So also the key to a good silk press with your weaves, honey, is making sure you got a good flat iron. The flat iron I am using is Babyless flat iron, and I'm also using my tension brush with it. I was trying to use a comb with it to do the chasing method, but I just feel like I get a way better result with my tension brush. And as you all can see, look how flowy my hair look, honey. Look at that. Yes, sis. Yes. Alright, so once I'm done with that side of my hair, of course, I'm going to move on to the next side, doing the same exact thing. And after that, I'm going to start on my leave out. So before anyone asks, I'm just going to let you all know this hair is still from Kendra's Boutique. I've had this hair for since last year, October. That's when I got these bundles. So I don't know. How many months is that, y'all? From October to May. I don't feel like doing the math right now. But yeah, that's how many months I done had it. And this hair is still holding up. It's still real fleeky. I don't know what I just said. It sounded like I mixed freaky with fleeky, but I was trying to say fleeky, y'all. But I have a detailed tutorial on how I blend my leave out on my channel already, so make sure you all tune into that. But for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna let you all see how I got it together. And yeah. So now you all have reached the end of this sleigh. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed recording it for you all. I love you so much. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share this video, and definitely make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I love you all so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram also at Quoia_Renae. Bye y'all.